Aussi, ce qu'on a entendu par avant, venant en fait du Congo aussi, concernant le rôle important qu'ils jouent les jeunes. May I now switch back into English? And by the way, if you haven't noticed, this is a bit of a moving feast, so apologies.
In a strange incident, British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak was abruptly rushed out of the COP27 event on Monday by his aide, leaving dozens of audience members baffled at the strange turn of events. The video of the incident was posted on the microblogging site by a user named Leo Hickman. In the video, it can be seen that Sunak was on a stage for a climate change event when his aides interrupted him. In quick succession, two of his aides came and persuaded Sunak to leave the event. The post by Hickman read, UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak has been rushed out of the room by his aides during the middle of the launch for Forest Partnership at COP27. Though Sunak abruptly left the COP27 event, it is unclear what information Sunak received from his aides that made him leave the climate summit in between. According to Hickman, an aide whispered in Sunak's ear for more than a minute, but the British Prime Minister stayed back. However, another aide came on the stage and requested him to leave from the event. About 2 minutes before he left, an aide came onto the stage and was whispering in his ear for more than a minute. There was a discussion going on about it seems, whether to leave at that moment. But Sunak stayed, but another aide made decision to go back to him and urge him to leave, he further tweeted. The United Nations Climate Change Conference, commonly referred to as the Conference of the Parties of the UNFCCC or COP27, opened in the Egyptian resort town of Sharm el-Sheikh on Sunday. The first Indian-origin British Prime Minister reached Sharm el-Sheikh after making a U-turn on attending the key climate meet in Egypt, as per ANI reports. Sunak is slated to hold meetings with fellow world leaders to discuss new partnerships on energy security, green technology and environmental protection, and is expected to announce further funding for conservation in threatened tropical rainforests and support for countries on the front line of climate change.
Aussi, concernant le rôle important qu'ils jouent les jeunes. May I now switch back into English? And by the way, if you haven't noticed, this is a bit of a moving feast, so apologies if we get some of this wrong, because we are having some of you leaders coming in.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.